It's Charter Local Edition. I'm Brad Palmer, and it's glad you're with us. Our guest, Dr. Jay Singh from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. He is a professor of packaging science. He's brought some of his masterpieces to us. Coming up at Cal Poly on June 17th to the 21st is the largest packaging scientific convention in the world. Tell us about the conference quickly, and then we'll talk about what we got before us.
Sure. Thanks, Brad. The conference is primarily for research community in the packaging field. So this is a once-a-year occasion for them to get together and exchange ideas. So we are expecting about over 100 presentations from scientists from over 20 countries who will get here for 2.5 days of presentations and exchange.
We have to remember that packaging can be very expensive.
It can be, yes.
And if you can save money in the packaging arena, that goes right to the bottom line.
Definitely.
And that's why some of these projects are so unique. Let's talk about this wine carrier that was developed literally by your students.
That's correct.
Tell us about it.
So this was a class project where I gave the challenge to the students to design a carrier for 6 wine bottles. And not only did they have to design the package, but also to validate it for shipment from Paso Robles to Shanghai.
Paso Robles to Shanghai.
Paso Robles to Shanghai.
And
the plus factor there was the internal packaging needed to come out and be a display package.
Clearly this is. I mean,
Yeah.
Look at it. It's beautiful. I mean, it is a beautiful package. And I can imagine maybe a handle here.
No. So this goes into a box, and then once it reaches the destination, they just pull it out and put it on the table.
Perfect. I hope it gets patented. Now we have, I mean, my kids would love this. This is a milk carton, a standard milk carton, but Dr. Singh, what makes it unique?
Well, it's got seeds embedded on the bottom of the box. So once you're done with the package, you can cut it, and it would serve as a starter plant.
Perfect. My kids would love it. Now we got this. I mean, Tony in the booth, I know he would love something like this. This looks like a football, but what happens when you open it?
It's a nacho and cheese package. It can be customized for special occasions like a Super Bowl, or different teams can have their own packages.
And these are all developed by your students?
These are all developed by the students.
Every single one of them.
Students are the strongest thing we have at Cal Poly.
Now, I'm not surprised that your students developed packaging for pizza. And I also know firsthand that oftentimes we get 2 pizzas. We order
Correct.
2 pizzas and we get 2 boxes.
Correct.
But that's a waste.
Yeah.
So what did they develop?
So they developed a 2-in-1 package that takes away 50% of one of the 2 boxes that you would be getting otherwise. So that's, reducing is one of the
Ingenious.
principal mantra. Yeah.
Now, you were involved in a project that was critical for one of the largest employers in this country. I'm going to hand these to you. These deal with Walmart and asparagus from
Correct.
South America.
Correct. So this package, Brad, was the original package. This company is the largest distributor of fresh asparagus in the country, Gourmet Trading. They came to us and wanted a solution to this problem. It's a package that's filled up in Peru with the asparagus standing up straight with a diaper underneath. But when it goes to Walmart, it's at a 60-degree angle. So this package was not working for Walmart. They had to literally take out the asparagus and put it on the shelf horizontally, which would reduce their shelf and the market appeal. So we came up with this design, essentially the same footprint, same way of loading it into in Peru or Mexico or Washington where they operate. But once it got to Walmart, in 2 easy steps, it transitioned from a 2-piece to a 1-piece.
Brilliant.
And we designed this to have all the marketing appeal and be able to maintain the product.
There are experts for everything, and it's
There
good
are.
to know there are experts for packaging at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, which is currently ranked in the top 3 in the nation. Jay Singh, good luck at the conference. It's on June 17th to 21st at Cal Poly. My name is Brad Palmer. Thank you for watching Charter Local Edition. Back to each other.